Hello. Today I'm going to be talking about the Rust programming language. Rust is a systems programming language that came out of Mozilla and is now being used worldwide to build high performance memory critical memory safety systems. You'll find it in big tech companies as well as in small companies which are doing performance critical stuff as an alternative language to C and C++. So if you've ever been interested in building low-level systems, but you think C++ has just been too hard, there's too much of a learning curve, I think Rust is a good choice and you might want to be giving it a look. I already have Rust installed on my laptop, and in this video I'm just going to be going over it and building a simple program that prints hello world. It's a bit cliche, but I want to do it just so there's a proper learning track that anyone who's watching this video can follow. I already have it installed, but let's just go through the steps anyway. So you can click on this Get Started button on the website and you can install it. You can just try it without installing it, but Rust gives you a pretty nice tool called Rust Up that you can use. I already have it installed, but you can just copy paste this command, take it over to your terminal, and then just place it, and then this will install the Rust Up tool on your computer, right? And so I have Rust Up already installed, and when you have it, you can just do Rust Up update, and this will give you the latest update of the language. In my case, I already am on the latest version, which at the time of recording this video is 1.71.0. And so I could just say rust c dash dash version, and this is the compiler, and as you can see, it's the correct version. And so now let's go over to my lesson-1 folder where I have a simple program called main, which is doing the println hello world. We can write it again. That's not a problem. Let me just increase the font size to 26, and we can just say fn main curly braces, and then println hello world semicolon. So notice what I did here. I'm using the println bank command, and this is because println is not a traditional function, it's a macro. We're going to be talking about those details of the language in upcoming videos, but for now suffice to know that we are writing a main function just like in your standard C++ programming languages. We're calling something called println, and we're giving it a string that should print hello world. And so let's compile it. We can go over back to the terminal. We can say rustc main.rs, and nothing happened. Well, that's a good sign usually if there was no error. And so if we see there's a main binary here now in our folder, and we can just execute this binary main, and it prints hello world. There you go. That's Rust. And I'm going to be making more of these videos as we go along, just to have a structure, and let's see how it goes. Thank you.